out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers of living waters. Yes, out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers of living waters. Oh, out of my spirit shall go rivers, yes, rivers of living worship. Yes, out of my spirit shall flow rivers, yes, rivers of living water. Out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers of living water. Can you join me? Say, out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers, rivers of living water. Out of my belly shall flow, out of my belly, yes, shall flow rivers, rivers. Hilabado Shapaya. Out of my belly shall flow, out of my belly shall flow, rivers of living. Out of my belly shall flow, shall flow, shall flow, rivers. We say, out of my spirit shall flow, rivers of living. We say, you are glorious, so glorious in your way. Yes, you are glorious, so glorious in your way. You are glorious, so glorious in your way. Yes, you are glorious, hey, you are glorious, Lord, glorious, Lord, glorious, glorious, glorious. You are so glorious, Jesus. Hey, hey, you are wonderful, yeah, wonderful, yeah, wonderful, yeah. You are wonderful. You are beautiful, so beautiful in your way. You are beautiful, Lord, so beautiful in your way. Yes, you are awesome, Lord, so awesome in your way. You are wonderful, so wonderful in your way. You are wonderful, Jesus. So wonderful in your way. 'Cause we are here for you. Come and do what you do. We are here for you. Come and do what you do. We set a heart for you. Come and do what you do. For this is the move. Hey. And this is the move. Kalabrota. Can you just begin to tell the Lord, say, Lord, I am here for you. Palago Patosha. Halago Brinando Shapa. Just begin to worship him. Tell him, I am here for you. If you are here for a worship concert, I am here for a worship experience. Can you say, Lord, we are here for you. Come and do what you do. Come and do what you do, Lord. Come and do what you do, Lord. In my life, come and do what you do. Come and do what you do. Come and do what you do. Come and do what you know how to do, Lord. Come and do what you do. Come and do what you do. Come and do what you do. Come and do, come and do, come and do. Hey, this is a move. Hey, halago, this is the move. Halago, prida dosha pai kapo brandaske pola kapa. Lego prina dosha pale kopata. Zuka prendas ke porika ferendo sipali patosiata belendru shipaleka pata. He's doing what he knows how to do in your life. In my life, he's doing what he knows how to do. Ikale prandeshi balekopa zeko prina dosia pala kopa zudia kebra dosia pa. Like fire, like rain, yes, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. His presence can be tangible. Oh yes, like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Yes, like fire, like rain, let it fall. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Hallelujah. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Let it fall now. Yes, Lord. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Oh, let it fall. Like fire, Lord. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, higher. Let it fall now on me. Let it fall. Let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Can I tell you this tonight? Fire does not recognize who made it. Fire can burn anyone. Hallelujah. But the fire of the mercy of God, when it comes to protect you, it burns on the other edge. Hallelujah. And when we worship, this kind of fire can come down. Let your glory fall, Lord. Like rain, let it fall. Hey. Like fire, like rain, just let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall, let it fall, let it fall. Hey. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall.